Guys, so today is an interesting day because we're going flying, and so today is an interesting day because we're going out flying FPV again. Going out to meet Adam, AdzoFPV, who you might have seen in one of my last videos when I was testing out the FlightOne Falco. But yeah, today I'm just meeting up to go and rip some lunchtime packs with him at quite an interesting little spot. So yeah, I'm just going to go and get some diesel in the car and we'll see you soon. So, come to this amazing spot and still a bit daunted by it, to be honest.
Confundido y no sé cómo empezar, porque lo que hice nada lo puede excusar. Tienes toda la razón para dejarme, te hice daño, pero traigo el corazón en pedazos y te extraño. Nunca aprecié lo que tuve, fui un cobarde y ahora lo que espero es que no sea muy tarde. Estoy arrepentido pero no de conocerte, solo estoy seguro que no quiero volver a perderte. Una noche de infidelidad simplemente para darme cuenta que a ti es la que quiero para siempre. No te pido que lo olvides ni que me perdones, pido que tú me apuntes mis imperfecciones. De esto solo sale una cosa positiva, que mi decisión para amarte es definitiva. Fue un momento de placer y ahí para, porque lo que tuve contigo no se compara.
Vete, no quiero que tu gente diga que te vuelvo loco. Vete, que me estás asesinando con los besos de tu boca. Vete, quiero sentirte aquí tan cerca. Algo me arrebata la razón. Vete, por Dios, vete. Deja tranquilo mi honor.
Qué inocencia me surge el volver a verte. Quiero pedirte perdón de antemano, pues no supe detenerte. Tengo las venas abiertas, la lumbre entre los... Que no se cansa, las mariposas enloquecidas entre la panza. El sol no raya más, desde que te fuiste.
So, as you've probably just seen, I just clipped that and knocked one of my motor bells off. So I've just come for... No fucking... Oh, there it is. Oh, we've snapped it. I didn't even break a prop. So yeah, quite impressed with these new Azure props. Turns out they're stronger than the shafts of a Lumenier motor. I mean, the prop's pretty damaged, but it's still in one piece. But she lives to fight another day. So, just been giving some walkers a little ride along there, showing them some of the videos we've been taking, and they seem pretty impressed. I was quite surprised, to be honest. I was expecting a bit more kind of a confrontational coming together, but there you go. Well, that was pretty cool, getting to fly a Penshaw Monument, apart from the fact that I broke the motor. Snapped the shaft because I hit that corner, but you know, these things happen in drone racing or even FPV freestyle. So I've just realised something else other than the fact my hair's a clip. Yeah, so I didn't record anything on Superview. Everything was on linear. and with stabilisation on. So maybe this is going to be a cinematic vlog. See you later.